iOS 17's recently introduced live speech feature has some voices that are as old as the original Macintosh. So here we've got the iMac G3, it's running macOS 9, and an iPhone SE 2nd generation running iOS 17. And let's hear the voices and see if they're the exact same. So live speech is accessible under the accessibility menu in settings. You can enable it, and you can triple click your home button or triple click the power button if your phone doesn't have a home button to get to it. So if I just open settings, let's just type hello, I am Macintosh. And here, I can select the voice in here. So let's go Agnes. And speak all. Now in here, I'm just going to get the voice set up. So Agnes is not in here, this voice.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
That is not in here, but Albert is. So let's see if they're the same thing.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
Right, now let's try this, and hopefully it will work. Okay, hello, I am Macintosh. So it seems that all the older weird voices are in here.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
Yeah, it works. Let's try again.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
It's the same bad voice. Now let's go to...
Hello, my name is Tattooz. Hello, my name is Tattooz.
Now let's select that same voice on here, so bad news. So you're on the Macintosh.
Hello, I am Macintosh.
It's the same voice. Now let's go down to bar.
Hello, I am Macintosh. Hello, I am Macintosh.
It's the same. They haven't changed a single thing about these weird voices on the from macOS 9, classic macOS from 1999. Now it's been re-released on iOS. It's gone full circle. Now let's go bells.
Hello, I am Macintosh. Hello, I am Macintosh.
It's the same thing. And this was one of the headlining features of the original Macintosh, the fact that it could speak. Now let's go boing.
Hello, I am Macintosh. Hello, I am Macintosh.
That same. Now let's go bubbles.
Hello, I am Macintosh. Hello, I am Macintosh.
The original Macintosh voices are just so different compared to all the modern stuff that tries to sound as realistic as possible.
Hello, I am Macintosh. Hello, I am Macintosh.
Yeah, so the point is, Apple's used the same voices, well, some of the same voices, in iOS 17 released in 2023 from the original Macintosh and classic macOS released before 1999. Pretty crazy. But anyway, I just thought that was interesting because I came across it accidentally. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment, check out our other channels, they're great too. Subscribe to our Patreon, and of course, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.